Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting pairing now. Make sure the watch has 20% battery and Bluetooth is on. Open the official watch app on your phone and sign in so profiles sync. Turn the watch on and select language. Once you see the pairing prompt, tap Add Device in the app. You may need to grant location and Bluetooth permissions. These let the app detect the watch. If a code appears on both devices, confirm they match. Once confirmed, the initial connection begins automatically. Once the phone and watch connect, continue setup by granting required permissions, notifications, contacts, and location, so features work. Choose which data to sync, health metrics, apps, and notification mirroring. Make deliberate choices to control battery use. Install any companion apps the watch recommends, and enable background refresh or auto start so syncing runs continuously. If the app asks about optimizing battery or auto launch, allow it for reliable updates. Pause between steps. Finish by confirming critical items synced. Correct time, step data, and chosen watch face. If content is missing, force a manual resync from the app and wait a minute. Make sure airplane mode is off and both devices are on the same Wi-Fi or within Bluetooth range. If sync still fails, restart phone and watch. This clears temporary Bluetooth glitches. One key troubleshooting tip. If restarts don't help, reset network settings on your phone, then repair the watch to resolve persistent connection conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.